Hi, friends, companions. Mama Tiff here, psychic medium, spiritual teacher, healer, and coach. I'm here to help you feel better, to feel good, because we're living in such a wild time. And welcome to the new earth. The new earth is here, but it's taking a little bit of time for our bodies to adjust to this new experience. As we look around, we're seeing a lot of things falling apart. They must fall apart. And it can scare us a little bit. It can make us wonder if we'll be safe tomorrow, what's going to happen in the future. I just want to reassure you that we're moving into a more blissful state of unity, God consciousness. We're moving into unconditional love and deep connection and abundance in life. It's just such an exciting time. But the 3D, 5D split has taken place. So it's as though we're watching the new earth and its beauty and the old earth, the 3D experience and its pain. And we can see both at the same time. Isn't it the craziest experience? I mean, I would have never thought when I was a younger person I would be living to see this shift. I knew it was coming in about 2012. I could see everything change. And I was told very clearly that we're going through a clearing process to get ready for 5D and the new earth. So I've been waiting. And as as we went through COVID, I was like, yep, it's all happening. So many things happened in the world in the last, 15, 16 years. And oh man, now the energy is just so vast, so heavy, and so peaceful all at once. I know you know what I'm talking about. But what I want to do for you today is I want to help clear your energy. So I'm just going to ask you to look into my eyes for about 20 seconds. And if you don't feel comfortable with that, you can move on, of course. But I want to be able to help you, and you transfer energy from my eyes. And I just want you to know, I know what's happening and I feel at peace. And so I want to transfer a little bit of that peace towards you. So let's do that together now, shall we? I hope that helped. I spend my life doing healing work on people, and I can always do a little bit with my eyes. So I hope that you were able to take advantage of that, and I hope you feel more at peace. I'm going to keep doing my videos because you're going to need the support, and I love sharing the messages that are coming through from the blue. And they're these incredible beings I've been channeling for 9 years, and they have nothing but good news. So I'm here to share those things with you and to give you a little bit of peace as I walk through life, because sometimes things feel pretty darn heavy. And I'm here to help you. You're safe with me.